The governing body for aviation in Europe, EASA, has just released their ASR, which is the annual safety review. And this document comes out every year and it details everything within the aviation sectors about safety and gives you the reports and whatnot. And for the first time ever, they have released information about the unmanned aviation sector, or UAS. And it's not good news for us because we have our first fatality. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. And of course, not good news to start with here to say that we have our first fatality within the UAS. If we look at this document that has come out, this is the EASA. This comes out every year. And this year we have our, let's say drones, if you want to call it, but we're not going to say drones this time because this is where it gets complicated, okay? So it's unmanned aircraft systems, of course it's UAS. Now this will cover drones and will also cover model aircraft. And actually it's where the model aircraft part comes in here. This is where the fatality has happened. This was over a year ago, just slightly over a year ago in Spain. And a man, I'll pull up the news report here as well. A man in Spain has died after he was hit by a model aircraft. This was quite a big machine actually. I think it's about 8 kilos or something. And usually always the model aircraft people are in their own area. I mean, you'll find these areas around all over the place. So they were in there and it was a planned display. They were doing some stuff and unfortunately he was hit by one of the aircraft. And he lost his life. Now, this means that this sector is now with drones, and this now says that we have our first fatality. So let's not get mixed up here by saying this person was killed by a drone. No, drones are still safe, but within the sector it shows that we have a fatality, and that is quite negative. And of course, I don't want to take anything away from the fact that someone's lost their life, because that's a terrible thing. But this is now the reality, and this is now seen as a fact. This is not the same in the US, nor is it the same in the UK. This is just Europe. And within Europe, as statistics, we're showing we have a fatality for the unmanned aerial systems, and this is not good. Anyway, I just wanted to give this update because I think that this is quite a serious topic, and so when, obviously this being a statistic, it's going to come out, and I think we need to be really quite firm with this and say that it wasn't drones. Drones are still safe, and I still believe drones are still safe. But this is the reality that we have and we see right now. I'll leave links to the ASR document in the description below. I'll also leave a link to the news article in there as well. What do you think? Please share your thoughts below. Please be respectful as well. And we'll see you on the next video. Fly safe.